How's it guys, Dean Daffue from LG here. Today I'm going to be telling you how to control your OLED using your voice with this magic remote. So why voice control? Let me show you. Launch YouTube. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to automatically open up YouTube for you, and then you can select what you want. The nice thing is it's not just simple commands. You can give it detailed specs on which video you want in YouTube. So let's try this out. What's the best TV in the world? And what's going to happen is it's actually taps into Google Assistant. And as you can see, yes, the OLED is the best TV in the world. This voice function is really niche because you can control certain elements on the TV, not just on your VOD. This TV is really for anyone. So if you can say it, the TV will do it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to know more exciting voice control functions on our OLED range, comment below and we'll definitely get back to you guys.